Hi, I'm Arvin Hadat with the agency, also Listing Impossible on CNBC. We are in Mount Olympus neighborhood of Los Angeles, and I'm going to show you guys one of the most beautiful modern custom homes in this neighborhood. Let's go inside and start the show. As you walk in, you're greeted with this grand foyer, which is illuminated via this beautiful skylight that sends the light all the way down to the wine cellar beneath us. As you come in, you're also greeted with architectural elements. The most noticeable one is this beautiful spiral staircase, which matches many curves of the house on the exterior. Follow me to the living room. One of my favorite things about this house is the fact that its open layout is inviting, and also you can walk out to the outdoor space from every corner of this house. The living room is integrated with the dining room, conveniently close to the barbecue, and just a couple steps away from the kitchen, the swimming pool, and the koi pond, one of my favorite spaces in this house. Let's go outside, have a moment of zen, and I think it speaks for itself. I can't help myself to feel relaxed here. When you can have something like this in your own home, there's no price to that. It's really like stepping into a whole new other world, but it's literally a couple steps away. But I can't just sit here and relax all day. We need to sell this house. Follow me. Gotta show you the swimming pool before we go upstairs, because what's a house in Los Angeles without a swimming pool? Overlooking the cityscape, full of palm trees, it's genuinely Los Angeles at its finest. Let's go upstairs. I wanna show you guys the master bedroom. Come on guys, I love this bedroom. I mean, take a look. You got a beautiful space to put the bed, gorgeous marble by the fireplace, floor to ceiling windows. Just to my right is the seating area. Beyond the sitting area, the shower and the bathroom. Floor to ceiling windows, natural light coming in. It's tinted, don't worry. But what I love about this space is that the shower is huge. And you got beautiful marble both on the floor and inside the shower. Very rare, very custom. Let's not forget about the standalone tub where it's perfectly situated. You can dip in the soap water, or you can even tan when the sun is hitting you just right. I really hope you enjoy this property, a custom modern home that the owners and the designers put so much heart and effort into making sure it's just perfect. Thanks everyone, and see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?